Good morning and happy June 21st. So today is the third priority box giveaway. And we're going to have this box fan D help us with the drawing this week. I still haven't used the cup. I can't bring myself to use it. I'm not sure what the dishwasher would do to it. It says dishwasher safe, but anyway. Okay guys, here's how you get entered. Once a week, I do a drawing every 7 days. I will go ahead and tell you on this video how to enter. You comment on a video. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You comment on a video, and I send out one priority box every week full of craft items. I try to gear it toward the person if I know what they craft with. If I don't, then because I'm out of prepackaged ones, so now I'm trying to pack them according to what I think the person would get the most use out of. So these are all the entries for last week. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to comment on a video. It's that easy. And every comment on different videos, not every single, you can't comment 20 times on one video, counts as an entry. So this week we have B&D Crafts Some More into Miss Box Fan D's cup. We have B&D Crafts Some More into Miss Box Fan D's cup. We have Arlene going into Miss Box Fan D's cup. We have Hot Threads South Dakota. And this is going into the cup. Then we have our Vasquez going into the cup. Sabrina's Mismatched Crafter going into the cup and dropping them. Secret Squirrel Ami going into the cup. B&D Crafts Some More going into the cup. Janice Grimes going into the cup. Lori Smith going into the cup. Journey Stoneman going into the cup. Secret Squirrel Ami going into the cup. Toyka Smith going into the cup. Now Toyka, technically, she commented on a community post, but that counts. You can just comment on something that I put up. So Toyka Smith is going into the cup. And we have Journey Stoneman going into the cup. Hot Threads South Dakota going into the cup. Ozark Ladies Creative Moods going into the cup. Let's see. Lori Smith going into the cup. Now let me make sure when I started dropping them I didn't lose any of them. And I did. Lori Smith going into the cup. I thought I felt one hit my foot. Okay, now we're going to have Miss Box Fan D give us our winner. She's not even here yet. She's the winner. I've closed my eyes. You guys can't tell it, but I am closing my eyes. I have one. Arlene. Arlene is the winner. So we start all over. Every 7 days I will do a drawing, and every 7 days there will be a priority box sent out to the winner. So Miss Arlene, yours will actually go in the mail today, dear. And starting all over, starting today. So subscribe to the channel, comment on a video or a community post, and get your name in the cup. See you later. Bye-bye.